6 reasons why email marketing is important. We are in new era where postmaster is emails, and the question why is irrelevant. Before going further discussion on email marketing, this tool works as master. Let's put it simply. Email marketing is a vibrant and powerful way to connect with people, bringing it home. Think about your own experiences. Do you even know anyone who doesn't have an email address? You probably receive n number of emails each week. You read them, get inspired by them, and even look forward for next one. Email is a big part of our lives, a very big part. Email marketing is also a very personal way of reaching your target customers. Messages from your friends, family are sitting next to email update from your company. That's why email works best when it is personalized. Email can be tailored to customers' actions so that every communication is relevant to their interest. You can cover topics like changes in your company, victories, request feedback to your customers. This list is virtually endless. With 3.9 billion users, email is not going anywhere. Are you still thinking that email marketing is not for your company or your business or your day-to-day marketing activity which you are doing or your digital marketing strategy? Let me give you 6 reasons why email marketing is important and why email marketing channel you should not be ignoring. Hi everyone, Mumtaz, a marketing consultant working with digital marketing agency, and you are watching one of my video based on email marketing series. In today's video I am going to share a 6 reason why email marketing is important. 1. More effective than social media. 2. Cost effective and economic. Person and tailor. 4. Action oriented. Simple, significant and measurable. 6. Mobile friendly. Hope this video sheds some lights on all the great thing what email marketing can do for you. Number 1, more effective than social media. Don't get me wrong, social media is extremely important component for any business marketing strategy, and because of that it is important first step to your ultimate goal, conversion. But when it comes to converting people into customer, member or supporter, then email marketing is the way to go. Number 2, cost effective and economic. It's easy, effective and inexpensive. Email marketing allows business owner to reach out a large number of consumer or a customer with a minimum cost. For a small business owner on a budget, it's clear. Then rather than going with the traditional marketing like TV, radio and direct mail, don't take my word. It is clear from last 10 years email marketing is generating highest revenue for the marketers. Person and tailored. In email marketing, what you are really doing is segmenting your audiences into a list, and then on that list you are sending a tailored message which give some value to your readers. By using email software correctly, you can reach out to your audiences with their name or with certain topic which most probably they liked in the past or last email campaign, and you can reach out privately in their inboxes. According to research, when we are sending email with the subject line and recipient's name, most probably we get 26% open. Fourth, action oriented. Email marketing is very important in building a relationship with your leads, prospect, customer, past customer, reaching out to them privately in their inbox at the time that is convenient to them. Whether you realize or not, but everybody is trained to do something with the email: reply, forward, click, and even sometimes straight buy. Please watch this video till the end. In the end, I'm going to share you some data inside of email marketing, so you can understand why email marketing is that much important, which you cannot afford to miss. Significant and measurable. There is no guessing. If you are using any email software for your day-to-day email marketing campaign, you can easily track everything like open, click, unsubscriber. Based on that you can analyze your campaign or analyze your whole marketing activity and improve. 6, mobile friendly. So nowadays mobile is so common that everyone is checking their email all the time on mobile, and study also shows that 91% people are checking their emails on mobile rather than other markets. Not using email in your digital marketing strategy means you are missing some part of revenue for your business. If you find my videos are informatives on email marketing, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on my next video.